All right, y'all. Well, we're back with the next video. So if you didn't see the one right before this, you really need to watch that. It's our complete bio and really what it is we're doing here on camera, trying to help you all through your journey. Me and Tom have been through a lot, just like other people. It's just sharing our experience, strength, and hope. So in other words, we are the messenger, just relaying a message to you. So don't get caught up in the hype and the fad and the, well, who are you guys and all that other stuff. None of that matters. What matters and what people's focus is trying to get from point A to point B. They're trying to learn how to better achieve something, and that's what me and Tom have to offer. We can offer that with our failures. We can offer that with our successes and everything in between. And they're merely just stories of journeys, of outcomes, good and bad, so that you don't have to learn all those bad outcomes for yourself, all the money losses, all the headaches and the stress. It's to alleviate a lot of that stuff so that you all don't have to learn such a dramatic way. You can learn much easier, but it all stems back to a lot of times of who you're paying attention to. And there's a lot of other great candidates out here other than just me and Tom. There is many, many more. But with that being said, there's a lot of people that you really don't need to be focusing on and or wasting time focusing on that. So here's the difference. Let me just tune you into this. Check this out. This is a little sketch here I got going on. And before you read too much here, I want to cover up a couple of things here. There we go. And I want to start it out like this. So what you can't see right here. So this is, I drew a triangle here, which is basically my mountain. And let's see here. Let's read what we have on this side. This is the left side of the mountain. This is called the know-it-all side. Okay, the look at me side, the, I'm the best. So look at all these words here. Callbacks, fame, a fad, don't show up, bringing others down. I'm the best. We've all heard that. I'm the best. Being fast, faster, fast. Volume, multiple things at the same time. Haters, look at me, jealous. Egos, money. This is a huge one here. Money, ego, jealousy, all huge. Getting to the top, actually thinking there's a top, like a plateau. Shoddy work, blames everyone else. And my favorite, don't do any of the work themselves and brag about how good they are. Now that is, I'm just being honest with you here. Let's call it what it is. This is a lot. This side of the mountain is a lot of people on social media. It's not all. It's a lot of them. And I'm not here to differentiate who's who and what's what. I'm just telling you, it's common sense. If me and Tom see it, then I know you all see it. So let me show you and tune you in to the other side of the mountain. Check this out. Let's slide this down. Now, hold on. I need my other little paper here, because there's one little point here I got at the very end that I want to keep covered up. So hold on. Let me turn this away. There we go. So I can cover up this little guy down here. There we go. Now we're good. All right. Here's the other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain is what I call the artistry side of the mountain. Okay, and these are a lot of things you're going to see on an artistry. You can tell. Okay, they want to help others win. Helping others in general. They're an artist at heart. Precision. Okay, quality. Plenty of time. This runs right into precision, quality. Me and Tom don't care how long it takes. We don't care how long something takes. These things, precision, quality, artistic, these things have to come first. We don't care about the time. There are plenty of other people out here that are much faster than me and Tom at everything they do. But that is not us. We don't worry about the time of something. We worry about the outcome. So you get the creative, you get the slow, okay, plenty of time, steady, you got honest, we accept our faults, okay, we go get it. We love what we do. We are educated. We have mastered failing. Let me say that again. We have mastered how to fail. And that is a much crucial and needed step before you can have any success. We have a quality business. Okay? There is no mountaintop. There is no best. There is no competition. And we love ourselves and others. And this is why this mountain here, whoever you choose to follow, whoever you choose to watch online, this is the difference in the mountain that all humanity is trying to climb at some point. No matter how high up you are trying to go, this side realizes there is no top. This side over here realizes that this is a top and they want to be sitting on top. Okay, there's a huge difference here. And all of this together, negative, positive, and everything in between. Let me show you the biggest thing that's more important than both of these two sides is all of this is happening on social media. And our kids, which you can hear mine yelling in there, having a good time. Our kids, our youth, as vulnerable and as naive as they are sitting down here. They are watching all of us adults on social media, doing everything under the sun. And they are wondering and focusing on which way they want to climb their mountain. You know, and that's very, it's very crucial, you know, to know that all these things are going on social media, and where us adults are worried about what it is we're doing and how we're acting and who's following us and who's paying attention and look at me. And we are so teaching these kids right here that a lot of us, that this behavior over here is okay. It's accepted. Now, I'm not here to point fingers at people that do their videos this way, and you know who I'm talking about. I'm not here to point fingers at all, because if it was just adults on social media, it wouldn't bother me in the slightest. At least adults are old enough to make their own decisions, to know right from wrong, to know what it is they want. There's a lot of people who inspire to be just like this because their top priority is this right here. And I can tell you this from experience, if you make this your top priority, you never have to worry about that right there. If you do quality as best you can everywhere you go, money will find you. Okay, and I've said this for a number of years. If you wake up every day and seek money, you're just going to continue to seek money, and eventually it's going to slip up. It's going to run out. It's not going to be there. If you spend your time worrying about quality and treating people right and doing the best you can do, people with funds, with money, are going to see that, and they are going to come to you. It's a beautiful thing. That was supposed to be a heart, just so you all know. My drawing skills looking through the camera is totally jacked up. But again, I hope you all, thank you all so very much for tuning in, for paying attention, for taking time out of your day to listen to me yap about all this stuff. And I'm sorry I have to go so quickly. We have a 10-minute session here. That's it. And we are approaching about the last 15 seconds. But I just wanted you all to know on the front side, anybody who doesn't know, and while you're tuning into Eric and Tom, this is what we're all about, is helping you guys. So until the next one, see you back real soon.